JDCap26 here. I just did tips and fairs and hobbies, and I hope you guys are doing well today. And this video, we've got this sound chip that we're gonna put for this robot over here. So let's open this up. We got the sound chip on eBay. So let's open it and look at it. It's supposed to be a sound chip that it's easy to record. You don't have to plug it into a USB or anything like that, is what I'm assuming. Let's pull it out of the bag. And there it is. It's got one button here. And this is the speaker you speak into, I'm pretty sure. It's got two buttons. I assume the red button, it's got no instructions. The red button, I think, is the record button right here. Okay, so I'm going to bring you over to the computer, and we're going to record some sound. So what you do here is you pull this yellow tab out to activate the battery, and then you press this button right here until it makes a sound, and you keep it pressed for all the amount of the recording. And I'll show you that when it's recorded and when it's done. What you do is you hold the button down, with the red wire to record, then you release it, and then you play it with the black button right here. So let me show you closer. So you push this.
Caution, there is danger. Danger, Will Robinson. There is a dangerous alien among us. What do you mean it doesn't compute, you ninny? Insufficient data. That does not compute. My micromechanism thanks you. My computer tapes thank you. And I thank you. I suggest that everyone return to the spaceship and resume work in the morning. I do not sleep. It is not one of my functions. Good night, Penny. Good night, Will. Remember, brush your teeth.
So what I'm going to do now is review it again. You pull the little tab out here, the yellow thing, to activate the batteries, and then you press this and it beeps once. Hold it down, record what you want to record, then play it back with the black wire, the black button. So I'm going to install it now in the robot. So we tip the robot over, and we're going to put it inside here like this, underneath, and hopefully just have this one wire coming out. And I'm going to straighten that wire out, and we're just going to put it down like this, very simply. And we've got the light in the back, the battery box in the back. So I press it, so I turn this on. Let me zoom out for you, hang on.
Danger, Will Robinson. There is a dangerous alien among us. Insufficient data. That does not compute. My micromechanism thanks you. My computer tapes thank you. And I thank you. I suggest that everyone return to the spaceship and resume work in the morning. I do not sleep. It is not one of my functions. Good night, Penny. Good night, Will. Remember, brush your teeth.
I know it's not too loud, but I don't know how to increase the volume. I'm going to have to write the seller. But what I'm going to do here is put just a little dab of glue, hot glue, on the wire. And just so that it holds it down. You can always peel that off when you're done. So just like that. Hold it down like that. So this concludes this video and this build for this robot. I hope you enjoyed it. And to all you people out there that like to do electronics and models and things like that, please subscribe and please rate my videos. Give me the thumbs up, actually. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.